iSteady X Vlogger Kit Tutorial. In this video, we show you how to set up the Gimbal iSteady X and wireless microphone BM01. Download the app and registration. Before using the gimbal and wireless microphone, please download the app Hohem Pro. Register the app by creating an account and activate iSteady X. How to connect the microphone with app. The microphone works only when connecting with Hohem Pro app. Press the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the microphone. The Bluetooth light flashes on standby for pairing with mobile phone. Search for Hohem Smart Mic in your mobile phone Bluetooth. The Bluetooth light stops flashing after pairing with mobile phone. Enable Hohem Smart Mic in the settings of Hohem Pro app. So that microphone works with app in real time. Microphone gain plus sound effect monitoring. The microphone audio is able to adjust by following options. Adjust the audio effect manually, allows you to set up the volume what you need. Adjust microphone audio automatically. Real-time monitoring the earphone volume. It's able to adjust the microphone audio when mixing mobile phone sounds and microphone audio. Level 4 noise cancellation. You can set a different level of noise cancellation based on ambient noise. Close, low, medium, high.
Now is the noise cancellation close. Now is the noise cancellation low. Now is the noise cancellation medium. And now is the noise cancellation high.
About the buttons. Function button. Click Shutter. Click the function button to take photo while the app screen is in the photo mode. Double-click. Switch between photo mode and video mode. Click the function button to record while the app screen is in the video mode. Triple-click. Switch between front camera and rear camera. Switch between front camera and rear camera. Long press. Cancel the Bluetooth pairing. It's able to cancel the microphone Bluetooth pairing by long press the function button for 3 seconds. More functions. Click to start or stop playing music. Click to answer or hang up phone. Click the function button to stop or stop playing music when using the earphone to listen to music. Click the function button to answer or hang up phone when there is a calling. Power button. Click On/Off face tracking. Click the power button to enable, disable face tracking of app. Double-click. Recenter the gimbal. Double-click the power button to recenter the gimbal. Long press On/Off. Long press the power button to turn on/off the microphone.